Let's talk about decision intelligence. Every second, millions of critical decisions are being made at a speed and scale that humans alone can't achieve. Yep, a ton of big decisions. Business decisions, consumer decisions, marketing offers, you name it, are now totally automated with no human intervention. Wild, right? So how exactly does decision intelligence work? Let's break it down. Decision intelligence technology uses data, analytics, and AI to make and automate decisions instantly, consistently, and at scale. Okay, let's look at a real-world example. In banking, it's a total game changer for detecting fraud before a transaction appears, approving a credit card in seconds, or delivering highly personalized banking experiences. And it's not just in digital experiences. In the physical world, think about supply chains and logistics. Decision intelligence can predict future demand or weather disruptions and automatically reroute shipments to avoid delays. Next up, manufacturing. The whole mindset shifts from being reactive to being predictive. And not just predictive, it's also prescriptive and automatic. So what does that mean? Less downtime, more efficiency, and better quality products. A huge win. So when you pull it all together, you really see the benefits emerge from this. Basically, it turns decision-making into something you can trust, measure, and scale. Curious how organizations are turning data into better decisions every day? Join the DecideWise community to share insights, solve integration challenges, and up-level your decision intelligence expertise. Join our community. Visit community.decidewise.net to join the conversation.